morning to all. This is Nargis. Welcome to SS Corner. In today's topic, we are going to see about what is a lagoon. So let us read the content of lagoon. A lagoon is a shallow body of water separated from a larger body of water by a narrow landform such as reefs, barrier islands, barrier peninsulas, or isthmuses. Lagoons are commonly divided into coastal lagoons and actual lagoons. They have also been identified as occurring on mixed sand and gravel coastlines. So here I have read about what is a lagoon. Do you understand about it? No? Let us observe few pictures of it. Yeah. Can you see the picture of a lagoon? We can see a larger water body which is present in your left side corner, and in the middle can you see like a small pond which has been formed? Yeah, so when it is separated into a small division of water, it is known as a lagoon. Yes, here you can observe it very clearly. My dear friends, you all know that it contains a sea picture. So in the sea picture, in the middle, can you observe the picture of a sea type where the pond is been framed? So when it has been separated from the larger water body, that frames a lagoon. So now let us observe few example of lagoon. We all know that India is covered by 3 oceans: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. So here we could observe many lagoons which are being separated from a larger water bodies. The one of the famous of lagoon is Chilika, which is been separated near to the Satapatha, where from the Bay of Bengal, that is a larger water body, is divided into a smaller lagoon, which is been formed a separate small. We could say that it is a smaller water body. So these types of formations are called as lagoon. So my dear friends, I hope so you have understood what is a lagoon. And let us see about isthmus and other water bodies in the next class. Thank you. Have a happy day.